If you're looking for that extra edge in your SPX 0DTE trades, this is the video for you. I'm going to show you how you can pair Alpha Crunching's powerful market forecasts with simple technical analysis techniques to make smarter, more confident trading decisions to try to stay on the right side of the market. And we're going to do this in just a minute or two. Let's get into it. One of the best ways to get a little bit of an extra edge in your 0DTE trades is to know what typically the market does for each particular day. And this is where the Alpha Crunching forecast comes in. We're looking at the daily forecast for January 13th, 2025. That was a Monday. And we can see that there was a slight bullish uptrend in the morning session and then kind of a flattened, maybe a little bit of a fade in the afternoon. And even though the flattened fade looks interesting, what we really want to look for are where are the big moves happening? Are they up? Are they down? And about what time of day? So for this day, before the market opens, we're looking at this and I'm leaning long and I'm going to be looking for long setups in the morning because the forecast shows that over the past month on Mondays, there's been kind of a morning rally. So now that we know what we're looking for before the market opens, let's go ahead and dive into the chart for that day. So that particular morning, we can see we got a pretty decent gap down into a buy zone. Now, this is where you can use your own technical analysis. I'm not going to try to sell you on some indicator or that's the best trend indicator, but what I like to use are, key levels or key areas. And this was sort of a buy zone or an oversold zone. So once we got into that area and we started to base, I sold a $2.60 credit spread. I sold a put credit spread. I sold the 57.75, 57.65 for $2.60 because we were in this oversold zone. We have a gap down, so I'm looking for some kind of bounce. And this is maybe an hour later, I was able to buy that back for $1.50. It was about 40% of the max profit. So this was kind of a shorter trade because in that morning, as we look back at the forecast, we're looking for some chop and then sort of an upward move. And, I'm not trying to stay in this trade all day. I'm not expecting the market to exactly follow this pattern. But if I know there tends to be a bullish bias in the morning, then I can look to my technical analysis to help me stay on the right side of the market.